Hello everyone. The use of microscopes is an essential part of the plant growth environment training course. In the observation of plant cells and tissues, biological microscopy is often used to help us observe the microstructure of materials. Today, let's take a look at how to use a microscope. When we pick up the microscope, we should hold the mirror arm with our right hand, support the mirror base with our left hand, remove the dust cover, fold it and put it aside. Place the microscope about a fist's width away from the edge of the table, slightly to the left, to help us draw and record. Plug it in, turn on the microscope, and set the light to the appropriate level. Adjust the objective. The length of the objective lens is proportional to the magnification, and the longer the length, the greater the multiple. Turn the converter and first align the low-power objective with the light hole. Then adjust the brightness of the field of view through the aperture. Align the larger aperture with the light hole. The larger the aperture will be brighter. Place the slide specimen on the loading platform and hold the slide with the press clamp so that the specimen is facing the center of the light outlet. Set the stage to its highest position. Then turn the fine adjustment knob, fine focus, counterclockwise, until you can see the object clearly. When you need to use a higher magnification lens, you can adjust the object to the center of the field of view, and then switch to the medium power objective, and carefully adjust the fine quasi-focus spiral until the image is clear. When it is necessary to convert the high-power lens for observation, the object should be adjusted to the center of the field of view under the medium power lens, and then switch to the high-power objective, and carefully adjusted the fine quasi-focal spiral until the image is clear. Adjusting the fine focus knob can make the image clearer, and the coarse focus knob allows for large vertical movements of the barrel. Therefore, when adjusting the coarse primary focus spiral, the eye must look at the objective lens to avoid excessive displacement and the lens crushing the glass. The fine focus knob only moves the barrel slightly, suitable for fine adjustment. The specimen is then observed and, if necessary, drawn or recorded. After the observation is completed, first switch back to the low-power objective and turn the coarse quasi-focus spiral to raise the mirror tube. Remove the slide specimen and wipe the surface of the microscope clean with gauze. If the dye contaminates the lens during the experiment, wipe the eyepiece or objective lens with special lens paper. And then lower the lens to the lowest point so that the two objectives are pointed forward. Turn the light to the dimmer setting, power off the microscope, and unplug and put it away. Put the dust cover on. The above is the procedure of using the microscope, including taking out the microscope, setting it up, adjusting, observing, and putting it away. Well, let's stop today's content here. Let's start to operate it.